Today's ceremony. Today we're gonna do our makeup.
Basically, we're gonna give her a makeup
No,
look.
you're first.
I'm gonna do her makeup.
No, you first.
I'm not gonna do my makeup. It's like 10:35 in the night. So yeah, let's get right into it. And if you want to see me do Genesis makeup, then just keep watching.
Summer's here and Jen is here.
And I'm gonna pull her hair back so you guys can see the makeup that we're gonna do on this beautiful face. Doing her hair, I'm gonna pull it back.
Okay, there you go. She's gonna do my makeup.
So let's start with some lipstick. Mauve pink lipstick. Shade is from Bound, from NARS. Her eyebrows.
Yeah.
Let me see your eyebrows. No screaming, no crying.
Ow. Oh wait, that's Taco. You see my eyebrow?
Can't see good because it's like bad lighting. All of my eyeshadow palettes is downstairs. I'm just gonna go in with pressed glitter because I have like makeup that's here. All my makeup is downstairs.
Yeah.
We have this, so we're just gonna put this on her eyes.
You see that?
And this is it, you guys. This is the finished look. Let's see how this looks. Wow, like you can really see that brow. That's it, you guys. And like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe. Tell your mom to buy your makeup or your birthday.
That's it, guys.
Bye.
Woo!
Hi, today. Summer's here.
Just kidding. With her wet lips. This is like a beautiful cloth.
Smell it.
No. Stop. Smell what?
My lips.
Okay.
Here we go.
Smell the lipstick.
It's not good. I'm glitter.
What?
The I'm glitter. Like glitter.
Like glitter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it.
Well, that went well.
Oh my god. Oh, you saw it.
Okay. Well, and this. Go to
You're
sleep.
gonna clean my nose.
We're not gonna do fingernails.
So you see my lip is pink or pink. Don't call me a little girl. I'm a big girl. I'm 7.
She's a big girl, guys.